Welcome back to Movie Masters. I am your host Carl, and today we are talking about artificial intelligence and the truth behind it. Now, I've been doing countless hours of research, and I mean countless hours of research. I have seen all these ads online, and I'm sure you have too, and that's why you're here, about how you can create an AI avatar, how you can streamline your process with AI, how you can create an AI OnlyFans account, how you can create an AI version of you, and all these AI things, and how it's gonna like make us better and save us time. And I've figured out it's all a big marketing scam. Now, before we go and like dismiss all of AI, let's not dismiss all of AI, but I want to talk about some of the good things before we talk about the bad things, because there is a lot of bad. And I'm not saying it's just because it's bad for our economy, for our jobs, or for things like that. It's bad because there's a lot of false advertising out there. There's a lot of crap. There's a lot of time wasting, and there's a lot of money that people are trying to sell you something that isn't perfect, that takes longer than it should, and that is really just, I think, the fad of 2023, and will probably continue to be the fad of 2024. And I want to debunk this myth so you don't have to waste your time like I have. So let's get started with the good things. Now, good things. ChatGPT has come out, right? Is this good? Look, it has its moments. It can help you do things faster. As far as getting text information out, that's great. You know, it is incorrect sometimes, so fact check whatever this gives you. And it does seem to just have this robotic feel about everything that it spurts out, which kind of sucks. As soon as you read something from ChatGPT, you're like, yeah, that's ChatGPT. Once you've used it, you know. I've used ChatGPT. It saves me time. It gives me tag words and writes me descriptions that I've already written, but it, helps me write them a little better with better spelling. But that's really not what we're here to talk about. We're going to go into that, but first, more of the good things. So the tools that, say, the new Premiere Pro and DAVINCI are using, like the Remix tool. I love the Remix tool. As any content creator knows, extending your music and taking the time to do that all takes extra time, and so just to drag it across, boop, done, that's great. Other tools like enhancing your audio by taking out the background noise, that's great too. But all this, like creating AI avatars of yourself to save yourself time, creating an AI OnlyFans Instagram influencer, that's just crap. That's just marketing crap that people are trying to spruik their sales, trying to sell you some dream, or trying to get more views. I mean, I could say that right now, if you're watching this video, this might have drawn you more views talking about this AI, but I'm not trying to sell you anything. I just don't want you to waste your time like I did. So I went down the rabbit hole of all these different websites. One of them named Civet AI. Now, while it can create you some really great realistic pictures, they're low quality. And you can spend your time like upscaling them and doing other things to them, but at the end of the day, they're not right. You see people with 4 fingers instead of 5, or 8 fingers instead of 5, or 2 heads, or you ask it to create Michael Jackson and it creates Michael Bublé, or you know what I mean. It's weird, and it doesn't look real. That's another thing. It still doesn't quite look real. But really what I want to get into is the time. And I'm sure if you've looked it up too, and if you've tried it yourself, the time that you actually spend trying to create an AI avatar or an AI video is a long time. It takes longer than it probably would have you just filmed it yourself. So earlier this year, I actually made my first AI generated music video. Now with this music video, we actually had to film the whole content, and then basically what the AI did was just give it a filter that made it look different. Now, while this did create a unique looking video, there's something maybe it might have spent a lot of time trying to look like a 3D printed program or something. When I actually ran it through the program to get these videos, the thinking behind this program took a long time. And not only did it take a long time, you have to put in all these extra parameters and all these extra things. So think to yourself, do you really want to waste your time going down the rabbit hole of trying to create an AI version of you to save time? Or do you just want to do it? Just get out there and film things. We are losing the basic principle of film to computers. Take a look at all the latest Marvel movies that have come out in the last 5 years. The CGI looks cheap and tacky. I will admit, there is good CGI, but this is done by thousands of people, by thousands of programmers sitting in an office. If any one of you works for like a big Disney or Pixar corporation, you can like leave a comment below and explain like how actual big these teams are that are generating this 3D animated content. And that 3D animated content isn't done with AI. It's done by people using computers. So at the end of the day, the message I'm trying to say here is, don't waste your time. We are not there yet. And I sadly think by the time we're there, we might end up more like Terminator. So as I said at the start, I don't want to rule out all of AI being useful, because it is useful. But just know that a lot of the stuff you see online is just trying to sell you something. Everyone has their own agenda. And at the moment, AI is the hot topic trend. And you will see countless videos going, you must know this and click here to find out that. And I just want to say, pick up your camera and just go make something. I know I sound all riled up about this, but I just really have been sick to death of like watching, scrolling, doom scrolling, just like wasting my time on all of this. Just go create.